Augmented reality aims to augment a real world with virtual objects, such as characters. However, the animation of these characters are usually not closely interacting with real environments. In this work, we focus on the AR character animation that can closely interacting with real environments. This is very challenging. Thus, in-situ animating is the key. To do this, we present the AR Animator, which allows users to use an AR-enabled mobile phone as a direct controller for in-situ character animation. This is intuitive, as most of us have similar experience using dolls for puppetry and storytelling. To address this issue, we first need to know what character motion are commonly wanted, and how to perform motion gesture corresponding to character motion with a rigid mobile phone. To know the answer, we conducted 2 user studies. We invited participants to think of possible motion with a rigid dolls. Then we asked the participants to design a gesture and obtain 29 motion gestures, such as walking, jumping, climbing, crawling, falling, pop head, lie down, sliding, etc. By using this user-defined motion, we decided our AR Animator. To start the animating, users need to press the record button and then start to move the mobile device, and meanwhile perform specific motion gesture representing desired motion. The pose and eye view data will be sent to our classifier for classification. Afterwards, a predefined virtual character and its moving trajectory are displayed on the screen for preview and editing. The playback or the synthesized animation is controlled by the play button. Using our AR Animator system, user can freely edit the animation using the timeline in our edit mode. By using our AR Animator, user can create interesting AR animation that are closely interacting with real environment. Here are some examples.